spoke about the Prime Minister. He's also now announced a compensation of 2 lakh from the Prime Minister's relief fund for the next of kin of each who have been deceased in the landslides in parts of Wayanad. The injured would be given 50,000 rupees as compensation. Compensation on Prime Minister's relief fund that has now been announced. And of course, the Prime Minister, as we updated as far as the distress that he has been facing because of these Wayanad landslides as well. He says he's had a word with the union ministers there. He's had a word with the chief minister and said that all possible help from the centre side would be given to the people there who have been affected because of this landslide. So already Jay Lakshmi compensation that has been announced from the Prime Minister's relief fund.
Yes, certainly, and we also know that Prime Minister did speak to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and has ensured all kinds of support from the centre. That is again something that the central government has ensured that all the affected families will get a compensation of 2 lakh rupees and to all the kin and the affected family. And definitely the centre has given all support to the state government, and in fact state government is also ensuring that the rescue operations are in full swing with the coordination with the central government as well.
All right. Even when it comes to the health department that is announced, as far as helpline numbers are also concerned, the numbers they're constantly flashing on your screens. A control room that has also been set up in the wake of these 2 major landslides. There have been other landslides that have also been reported, but 2 major landslides. As far as even when it comes to the concerns that are now being raised on part of political leaders as well, they have now come out to say that they are deeply distressed on accounts of these landslides that have been reported and has affected the people there. Of course, you can see the extent and the difficulty in which the rescue officials and the teams that are now facing because of the intense rainfall and the ground there being too slippery. All right, Veena Georgie is with us. Can you tell us exactly when it comes to the extent of devastation that has taken place in your state, ma'am, in Kerala?
This unfortunate landslide has occurred early this morning around 3 o'clock, and 2 places in Wayanad district, the Churalmala and also Mundakai, is badly affected. Hundreds of families are trapped there, and we have started the rescue operations early in the morning itself. Honorable Chief Minister has given instructions by 4 a.m. today. And Chief Secretary is coordinating the activities, and every department, Revenue Department, Health Department, and all the line departments are monitoring. We are doing whatever is expected to be done, and the Honorable Chief Minister is overseeing all the activities. And our 4 of our cabinet members, my colleagues, are going to Wayanad. And they will be reaching soon in Wayanad. They are going to leave Thiruvananthapuram, and we have 6 bodies have brought to a government hospital, which is a community health center, and another 5 to a private hospital. And many are injured. Around 70 people are brought injured to the different hospitals. The district administration is there, and we have started control room in Wayanad. And also Fire Force teams, NDRF, and other teams are there, and they are doing the rescue operations. But and for the time being, there is no rain, but we expect more rain. When it rains again, it will be difficult to reach there and continue the rescue operations. So we try to save every life, and since families are trapped there, we have sought the help of, we are using helicopters too, but the weather is very bad that rescue operations with helicopter is, it seems virtually impossible. But we are trying to do with the help of helicopters, we are trying to do rescue operations.
Right, ma'am. Thank you very much for taking out your time and taking us through exactly when it comes to this extent of devastation that has been caused because of these landslides. The Kerala minister there giving us a lowdown as far as the challenges that have been faced and of course the teams that have been deployed for the rescue operations. However, according to the official confirmation that we can say, 8 people unfortunately who have lost their lives. This is an ongoing rescue operation. We'll keep sharing our viewers with the latest updates. In the meantime, we head into a short break.